In this video, we're reviewing BookSteam, the online booking platform for small and medium businesses. Check the description for links to explore BookSteam further. Let's dive into its features, target audience, and performance. BookSteam is an intuitive solution for service providers like salons, fitness centers, medical practices, consultants, and educators. Streamline appointments, reduce admin tasks, and boost customer engagement with its user-friendly interface. Clients book 24/7 through your website or social media, creating a seamless experience. BookSteam's robust calendar manages availability, recurring schedules, and service durations. It supports multiple locations and individual staff schedules, ideal for teams. Automated email or SMS reminders reduce no-shows. Customize branded booking pages with tailored fields, colors, and logos for a consistent client experience. Multi-language and time zone support caters to global businesses. BookSteam integrates with Google Calendar and Outlook, keeping schedules synced. Securely process payments via credit card or PayPal, collecting deposits or full payments upon booking. Advanced features include group bookings, class scheduling, and recurring appointments, perfect for fitness and education. Analytics and reporting tools offer valuable business insights for data-driven decisions. BookSteam empowers businesses to enhance scheduling and customer experience. Its ease of use, features, and customization make it a great choice. See if BookSteam is right for you. Check the links in the description.